Number 5 is HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless Ink Printer. The HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-Free Ink Printer is a versatile and reliable solution for families requiring high-volume color printing. This printer has various key features, including automatic two-sided printing, borderless prints, and mobile and wireless printing. It can print up to 12 ppm black and 7 ppm color, making it fast and efficient. This printer is a cost-effective option for families as it comes with up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles, allowing up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages to be printed out of the box. It also delivers exceptional quality with outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. The HP SmartTank 6001 can be operated from anywhere using the HP Smart app, which allows for convenient printing, scanning, and copying from your mobile device. With this printer, you don't have to worry about running out of ink, as it is designed for long-term use and has an easy-to-fill tank system. It also comes with a spill-free refill system, which helps minimize messes or spills. This printer is designed for both home and office use, making it the perfect choice for busy households. If you like this printer, then check out the link given in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printer for personal use. If you want to purchase any of these best personal use printers, then click on the link provided in the description box to get them now. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.